Welcome to our channel. In this video we will share with you some of our cars, fashion and fitness collection. Our first beautiful model in this collection is posing in front of a completely restored yellow Chevy Bel Air, wearing tight jeans that hug her lovely curves and high heels to add a touch of elegance. Our next beautiful model is posing at the beach wearing a leopard print dress that contours her beautiful figure and displays her toned legs. Our next beautiful model is posing wearing a white designer evening dress that contours her beautiful curvy figure and long earrings that match the color of her dress. Our next beautiful model is posing sitting on a rock at the beach wearing a short black dress that displays her beautiful legs, and she has her long curvy hair down to accentuate her beautiful facial features. Our next beautiful model is portraying a traveler look wearing a fun summer dress with trendy nylons that bring attention to her beautiful legs and bright red lipstick to match the color of her dress. Our next beautiful model is posing once again wearing a curve-hugging designer evening dress that showcases her beautiful curves in a very elegant manner. For our last picture in this collection, our beautiful model is wearing a red summer dress with bright red heels that match the color of the dress, and she is wearing her beautiful curvy hair up to showcase her beautiful and charismatic facial features. Thanks for watching everyone, have a wonderful day.